What is going on, guys? Hope everyone's doing alright during this pandemic. It's crazy what's happening right now. I've been sitting in my house for 2 weeks now. I've been going nuts. So I myself live in New Jersey, and the county I'm in, Bergen County, is the worst with this virus that's spreading. So I'm doing my part of staying inside. I haven't really been exploring, but I still want to put out a video. So I did have the idea, like I have filmed in Poland this one video. I never put it out because the quality is so bad. I use my phone to record it, so it's phone quality, but it is pretty cool. So this video I want to show you is of a German World War II bunker, a train bunker. A whole train could fit inside it. It's quite remarkable. It's pretty interesting. Look at these gates. Get like 8 inches thick. These what in here. Yo, that's creepy. So this bunker is now a museum. Anybody could just come here. You just gotta let them know in advance so that they open up the doors for you. I'm in a train bunker from World War II. The train would ride in and be left in here, be sheltered from aircraft bombings. Pretty fortified. In fact, Hitler and Mussolini met up here. Check out the progress of this place. There are these passageways to the side full of water. Years of buildup, mud. That seized up pretty good. Thick door. So this train bunker was built in 1940, and the walls are 3 meters long. Quite a bit of reinforcement from bombings. Reach towards the end. Trying to figure out what this is. I get it now, that's where the tracks would be. And that's it, can't go anymore. Seems to also be a whole sewer system to this place. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that footage of the train bunker. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about that spot. And also, leave a comment down below. Let me know how you're doing during this isolation. And if you're out there working, more power to you. And props for keeping this country running. And make sure you're subscribed. Go on adventures all the time, except for right now. Guys, stay safe out there, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Take it easy.